Ready, start. The trial court decreed the suit for rupees 2 lakhs with proportionate cost and interest at the rate of 6% per annum from the date of the suit till realization. However, the division bench of the High Court allowed the appeal of the employer state government and dismissed the suit mainly on the ground that the plaintiff contractor had accepted the amount as per final bill under protest without disclosing any real grievance on merits, and it amounted to accepting the final bill without any valid objection and grievance. It further held that the conduct of the contractor in accepting the final bill and thereafter sending statutory notice and filing the suit for recovery of the differential amount was barred by the principle of estoppel. Aggrieved, the plaintiff contractor filed the appeal. Para. Allowing the appeal, the court held that from various decisions of this court, the following principle emerge: merely because the contractor has issued no issue certificate, if there is acceptable claim, the court cannot reject the same on the ground of the issuance of no due certificate, inasmuch as it is common that unless a discharge certificate is given in advance by the contractor, payment of bills are generally delayed. Therefore, such a clause in the contract would not be an absolute bar to a contractor raising claims which are genuine at a later date, even after submission of such no claim certificate, even after execution of full and final discharge voucher or receipt by one of the parties, if the said party is able to establish that he is entitled to further amount for which he is having adequate materials, he is not barred from claiming such amount merely because of acceptance of the final bill by mentioning without prejudice or by issuing no due certificate. Para. In the instant case, it is true that when the final bill was submitted, the plaintiff had accepted the amount as mentioned in the final bill, but under protest. It is also the specific claim of the plaintiff that on the direction of the department it had performed additional work and therefore was entitled to additional amount or damages as per the terms of agreement. Merely because the plaintiff had accepted the final bill, it cannot be deprived of its right to claim damages by if it had incurred additional amount and is able to prove the same by acceptable materials. Stop.